Hello, welcome to today's class. We're looking at a truth table, and a truth table contains false or true values, right? So let's dive into the class. Let's say we have this question P, and before I proceed, I'll try to explain what this means. P is the proposition. This that looks like V is called the logical OR operator. This Q is also a proposition. This is logical AND. So this implies the OR operator, and this is the AND operator. These are propositions. P, Q, and R are propositions. So how do we draw a truth table? We have P, the proposition P, Q, R. Those are the three propositions. Now we are going to form the remaining parts based on our question. They are given P or Q, so I'm going to do that, P or Q. And then we're also giving Q or R, Q or R. And then lastly, we are told that we add the both of them. We bring the both of them together and use the AND operator. That is P or Q and Q or R. Okay, so let's start working on it. The first one we're having is 0, 0, 0. Please take note, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. So I could either use 0 or use F for false, or use 1 and use T for false, but I'm using zeros and ones. So we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. Alright? So P or Q means the possibility of either P being true or Q being true. If any of them is true, then we'll put our true here. But if the both of them are false, then we'll put false here. So we'll come to P or Q. The both of them are false. So here I'm going to write 0. Both of them are false. Here you write 0. Either if any of them is true, then P or Q will be true. This is false or true. It is true. True or false, true. True or true is still true. So I'm going to write true. True or false is true. False or true is true. And then true or true is true. I hope you understand. So the same thing for Q or R, which is this. Q is false. R is false. This is going to be false. False or true, it is true. If any of them is true, the OR operator says that you pick the true. So true or false is true. False or false is false. True or false is true. False or true is true. True or true is true, and true or true is also true. Now, we are now looking at the question which I brought out, P or Q and Q or R. The AND operator is different from the OR operator. For the AND operator, the both of them must be true for it to be true. If not, if any of them is false, then it means that what we have is false. So this is already false. The both of them are false. Although this is true, this is already false, right? So since this is false, we are just going to write false there. For the AND operator, that's how it works. The both of them are true, so this is true. True, false is false. True, true.
We'll give true, so that's true. True also. True and true is true, so that's true. And then lastly, we have a true.
So this is what we have from this question as our truth table. I don't know if there's anything called lie table. However, this is what we have as our truth table. I just gave you basics today. If you want more questions, the AND operator, the NOT operator, the exclusive OR operator, there are more operators. If you want that, please drop your comment in the comment section. Until we meet again, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's goodbye from me.